Although the COVID-19 has been with us since early 2020, Nan-Shabert Park is still loved by many till this day. It has led to downfalls, but on a positive side, when movement and restriction orders was conducted, the nature is getting better. Rivers, seawater, air is becoming cleaner. The world's climate is indirectly getting better. The poaching and illegal logging that has threatened the animal population has decreased. The people preserve social distance to flatten the curve and lessen the burdens of the frontliners that has fought for the people.
Respect. This is implemented into the pavilion as a symbol for respecting all, man, environment, and beliefs. The aerophilic form conveys the message that it was built in response to the environment and not harming it. The private-public space shows how important that we live in the new normal now, which is the social distancing era. A pavilion that delivers this kind of message will make people more aware of the importance of respecting all.
Birdwing, aerofoil structure that inspired us to create such light form of pavilion, as it will respect the environment and the people.